Want to turn on Chrome Sync? Chrome Sync lets you keep your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, settings, and other data synchronized across all your devices using your Google account. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on Chrome Sync step by step. Let's get started. First, launch Google Chrome on your computer. If you're not already signed in, you'll need a Google account before you can enable Chrome Sync. You know, syncing works across Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iPhone when you use the same account. Next, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign in to Chrome or Turn on Sync, depending on your version of Chrome. Enter your Google account email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. After signing in, Chrome will ask whether you'd like to turn on synchronization. Click Yes, I'm in, Turn on Sync, or the confirmation button shown on your version of Chrome. This starts syncing your browser data with your Google account. Now open Settings, select You and Google, then choose Sync and Google Services. Here you can sync everything or customize exactly what you want to synchronize, including bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, tabs, addresses, payment methods, and settings. Finally, check that Chrome shows your Google profile in the top right corner and indicates that sync is active. When you sign into Chrome on another device using the same Google account, your synced information will become available there as well. And that's how to turn on Chrome Sync. Enabling sync is a simple way to keep your browsing data updated across all your devices while making it easy to access your information wherever you sign in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.